I do believe in the American dream.
Little boxes on the hillside, little boxes made of ticky-tacky.
The financial collapse of 2008, leading to taxpayer bailouts, continued to dominate the news in 2010. The bubble had burst. The house of cards was falling. Home prices were dropping, and the construction industry had come to a halt. Unemployment ran high. Banks had stopped lending. It now seemed their new business model was foreclosure. We all watched the American dream disappear before our eyes. Just after Christmas 2010, the bank started coming for my home. I felt lost and beaten. But we started to see fraudulent document after fraudulent document being filed. A friend told me to sue the bank. Nervously, I filed a lawsuit. Since I had no money for an attorney, I had to act as my own. It was the hardest thing I've ever done, and what I found astounded me. This documentary comes from my own foreclosure lawsuit against Wells Fargo Bank for fraud. After countless, endless nights of research, through decades of documents, and reading thousands of pages of cases and legal references, taking me through superior, federal, appellate, and appeals, and the state Supreme Courts, watch as we walk through the depth of the fraud and corruption of Wall Street and our judicial system from the inside out. This film exposes the fraud of foreclosure and securitization and how the banks steal homes, even if a homeowner is current on their payments or paid cash outright. It sheds light on the fact that there is an over 80% chance that the bank foreclosing on any home actually has no legal interest, or that the monthly mortgage payments that you are making do not go to the party who legally owns your note. Wall Street and the financial institutions know this, yet continue the fraud, foreclosing illegally on millions of families. The banks steal our homes, destroy families and communities, ruin lives, defraud the country of trillions in bailout packages because it seemed that they were too big to fail. And now it seems they are too big to jail. The fraud runs deep, and no one has gone to prison. The courts don't seem to care. Wall Street's billions can buy anything, anyone, anywhere. This film follows the trail deep down the rabbit hole into the trenches of first-hand dealings with the foreclosure system, deep interaction with the failed court system, to a world of fraud and corruption, going all the way to some of the highest levels of government. It's amazing what we choose to see, even when truth is right in front of our eyes.